Recipe: brown rice with chicken and vegetable curry. Ingredients: you can see them in the video description. Instructions: rinse the brown rice under cold water and drain. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the onion and garlic, and sauté until golden and fragrant, about 2 minutes. Add the chicken cubes to the skillet and cook until browned on all sides, about 5 minutes. Add the brown rice to the skillet and stir to combine with the chicken and vegetables. Pour in the chicken broth and bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 35–40 minutes, or until the rice is tender and the liquid is absorbed. Meanwhile, in another skillet, heat the coconut milk over medium heat. Add the red curry paste and mix well. Add the vegetables, carrot, bell peppers, and peas, to the coconut milk and curry mixture. Cook for about 5–7 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender but still crisp. Once the rice is cooked, add the chicken and vegetable curry mixture to the cooked rice. Mix well to combine all ingredients. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot, garnished with fresh chopped cilantro. Enjoy this delicious and healthy brown rice with chicken and vegetable curry. This dish is a complete and balanced meal that is sure to satisfy your taste buds and leave you feeling full and nourished. For more healthy recipes, follow us.